Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I hope that you will consider subscribing. I currently have 150 subscribers giveaway on my channel. If you would like to enter, I will leave the link down below in my description box. In this video, we're gonna take a look at the Clay Play to Go, and this is the new face palette that Tarte came out with. And after applying it, I will compare it to the Cheeky Claymate palette. And here's the actual packaging. It's absolutely stunning. Inside we get a full-size mirror and a highlighter, a blush, and a bronzer. Here are the swatches. So we have a highlighter. It's pretty yellow. We have a beautiful blush. And this is the bronzer. I applied everything on this half of my face, and the other half we will apply together, but you could take a look. This is the bronzer, the blush, the highlighter. Let's apply the second half together so you could see how it applies. So I must say that this bronzer is not light at all. If you have a fair to light skin tone, you could use a light hand with a soft brush and it's going to look nice, especially in the summer. And if you're a medium skin tone, it's also going to show up on you because it's definitely very pigmented. So a very nice bronzer. I must say there's a lot of sheen going on in this palette. The only matte product in here is the bronzer and the blush and the highlighter. There's a lot of sheen going on. Let's apply the blush. It's really beautiful and a stunning shade for blush. And now let's go into the highlighter. This is a golden highlighter, and the shimmery particles for the blush are gold as well. There's going to be a lot of gold on your cheeks. I find for me it's a bit too much sheen, but in the summer it's actually nice. I'm just gonna go blend it with a fluffy brush a bit. So this is the finished look. Please let me know what you think. Do you think it's too much sheen? There is so much going on in the blush that highlighter is extra. I would love to hear what you think. And as always with Tarte, we know that we're getting a great quality. And now let's compare those two palettes. So this is the new one, Play to Go, and this is the Cheeky Claymate. So the new palette, the net weight is 3.1 grams. In this palette we get 4.3. So this one is a bit bigger, has more product. Those are the palettes side by side. The packaging is much nicer on the new palette, and the new palette is much deeper. The highlighter is deeper, the blush is different, and the bronzer is much deeper. I will quickly give you side by side swatches. So this is the highlighter from the new Clay Play to Go palette, and this one is from Cheeky Claymate. This blush is from the new Clay Play to Go palette, and this one is from the Cheeky Claymate palette. And here's the bronzer from the Cheeky Claymate palette, and this is the bronzer from the new Clay Play to Go. So if you're fair skin tone and you want to get a lighter palette, I would definitely go with the Cheeky Claymate. However, you could definitely use the new palette as well. You could share out the bronzer, especially in the summer. You want to go a bit deeper for this sun-kissed look, and there's definitely much more sheen going on, so it all depends on your preferences. The good thing is that this palette is catered to much bigger variety of skin tones versus this palette was a bit lighter. Both palettes are beautiful. This one I think is still available on their website. And again, I do like it. I don't know if I would wear so much sheen in the winter. I do like how those products look all together. So I did enjoy using this palette. I hope this review was helpful. Please don't forget to check out the giveaway if you're interested. I will leave the link in the description down below. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again in my next video.